Computer science with cybersecurity at Abertay incorporates a strong cybersecurity elements to ensure students understand and learn how to build systems securely, in integrating security by design approach into software systems by conception rather than approaching security as an afterthought. In addition to theoretical concepts in computer science and cybersecurity, students develop practical skills in designing, implementing, and analyzing secure software systems. They also learn about both offensive and defensive security techniques in supportive environment in our specialist lab, ethical hacking, and networking labs. We assist the students in gaining knowledge and skills with a actually wide spectrum of cybersecurity technologies, processes, and practices, and prepare them for their future career. They have lots of job opportunities, including roles as secure software developers, security consultants, management position, and many more. Abertay University has been accredited as an academic excellence center of cybersecurity by the National Cybersecurity Center. It was the first university awarded the highest gold award in this field. Studying at Abertay is interesting because it's a very friendly environment, and Dundee is a small city actually, so you can get access to each part of the city very quickly. Scotland is a lovely place to live in, and with many friendly and welcoming people.